everyone, it's Jade from Sweet Softies. I'm excited to share with you an alternative magic ring technique. Now, you'll often use this if you are having to crochet a stuffed toy or amigurumi. You can also use it for making hats when you go from top down. So anytime you need to do a magic ring to start, you can use this technique. Here are just some of my amigurumis that I wanted to show you that require the use of a magic ring in various sections. Now, let's go ahead and get started. Let's begin. What you will do first is make 2 chains. So here's the first chain and the second chain. Next, you're going to insert your hook into the first chain that you made. Then you're going to simply single crochet the number of stitches you want in there. So if I'm going to put 6 single crochets, I'm going to yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. That's my first single crochet. Go back into that same stitch, into the same chain I mean. Pull through, single crochet, insert back into that same chain, single crochet, go back into the same chain, single crochet, and single crochet, and last one, single crochet. Now, after I do that, I'll have 6 single crochets in this circular fashion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I can go ahead and continue with my pattern. So if I'm going to do, for example, increases around, you're going to start your next stitch right into the very first single crochet that you made. So don't go into the chain you made, but into the first single crochet that you made. And continue from there. All right. So I hope that this tutorial was helpful. This is a great way to do the magic ring technique without actually doing the magic ring technique. All right. Thank you so much for watching and hope you have a wonderful time crafting. Bye now.